Hey everyone, Geller, GrayManPrepping. Got an unboxing or unbagging really for you. Ordered a bunch of stuff, some cool stuff just to be back for backgrounds for my future videos, and something to help in my getting better fit and everything else. So I was going to use my everyday carry, but this one has a nice pull tab on it here. All right, get these things out of here. I got 4 items in here. Cool. So let's start with one of the things I got for the prepping wise for the grandkids. And this goes into their video library to keep them busy and happy during the wintertime where they don't get frustrated not being able to go out and play as much as they'd like to. A 5 movie pack from Dragon Ball Z. And so this is Dragon Ball Z had 9 series. I got that 9 seasons in the series. I got that one for them. But in between some of the seasons, they put out individual movies. And so this has 5 movies on it. And so got this for them. They'll probably be up to this probably about a month or so where they want to be watching this one. One of the other things I got is got a couple of wall flags here. Let me open it up here for you. All right, so I got this one here. I got this one in particular. Not sure how well it's all going to show up here. Sure, it says, back it up here so maybe you can see it. Got this one for the staff sergeant. Since she was Staff Sergeant in the United States Army. I got another one here because it's really cool and I think it's kind of patriotic. If I can find where its opening is. There it is. I think it's kind of cool, so I'm going to put these on the wall behind me when I'm doing some of the upcoming shorts of the Your Prep for Today videos I'm going to be doing. So just some nice background stuff for it. The other thing I got was a jump rope, and this one was recommended by a couple of different people that do professional jump roping, this type of style, and so I'm going to try learning to do jump roping. I will not be videoing that for the first while because it's going to be rather, besides embarrassing to me, it'll probably be embarrassing to you. And I might get banned for cruelty to viewers. So anyways, I got that jump rope stuff. And also I'm going to be using it also to try to get the grandsons interested in doing jump roping and for exercise as well. All right. So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill like jump roping. And work on your indoor garden. All right? Take care.